Hello, friends, and welcome. We are going to be reading a very special book, and I have a very special guest. This is Devorah. Hi, Devorah.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, now, in order to start this book, I need to know what the title of the book is. Title is the name of the book. Where can I find the name? What does that say? Can you read it for me, sir? What does it say?
It says there's a bird on your head.
What?
Yeah.
No, there is a bird on your head. Are you ready? Now, we're going to take turns reading this book. I'm going to be Gerald. Gerald is the elephant. And Devorah is going to be Piggy. Piggy is the pig. Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Chee, 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 chee. They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds in a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them? Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them!
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Do you see where the birds are now? That was a great book. Thank you for joining, and thank you for sharing with us.
See you next time.